Hello, it's dumplet here. Here's an item on number theory. Find the fraction equivalent of 0.0554554 and so on. As usual, pause this video if you'd like to give this item a try, but if you're done, let us dive into the solution. Now, when dealing with these repeating fractions, the first thing to always do is shown on the screen. Let x equals this number. So let x equals 0.0554554 and so on. Now, generally we want stuff that repeats, so we want the repeating part, which in this case is 554, to be directly after the decimal point. Now, to do that, we can multiply both sides by 10. Now, if I multiply both sides by 10, note how 10x would be equal to, we're moving the decimal point 1 unit to the right here, so it's going to be 0.554554 and so on. Next, we have one number now. We have one number that is of the form, the repeating part is after this decimal point. Now, we want another number such that everything after the decimal point is going to be repeating. Now, since we know that this part is still 554, 554, 554, and so on, we can try to multiply both sides by 1,000. Now, why 1,000? Because multiplying by 1,000 will allow us to move 1, 2, 3 units to the right. So we're going across one repeated part of 554 in short. So we can do that. Now, if I do that, we're going to end up with 10,000x is equal to 554 after moving the decimal places 3 units to the right. And obviously, this red part that repeats is reflected here. So this part is, there's this red part in the 10x representation. And now we've successfully acquired two numbers such that the repeating part is after the decimal point. So what can we do with these two? So let's see. Since we now have that the repeating part is after the decimal point, what's going to happen if I make 10,000x minus 10x? That's very simple, actually. Note how the red parts, or everything after the decimal place, will cancel out. And on the right-hand side, we're just left with 554. Because the repeating part, the red highlighted part, cancels out. Now, this is very simple now. We're just literally solving for x. So 10,000x minus 10x, that's 9,990x. And we know this is equal to 554. All we have to do is divide both sides by 9990. So x equals 554 over 9990. Dividing both sides by the GCD of the two numbers, which is 2. We're going to end up with 277 over 4,995. And this will be our final answer. Now, in the last step, if you're not familiar or aware that there's an easier way to get the GCD of the two numbers, click on this card to help you get the GCD of these two numbers easily. Anyways, hopefully you guys learned something new from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.